never done this before.
What is it? What are you doing? He's like, please let me do it.
Holy shit. Hold on, hold on.
Oh my god, there's a tarantula in there!
He's a pet, he's a pet.
Oh my god, no, he's gonna move! Oh my god, no!
That is.
Well, it makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. Ooh, I wonder. Ooh, I just wonder.
Welcome back to Brazen Brits, and again, if you have been watching our channel, we are selling our Grand Design travel trailer and we're looking for a new rig. So we're doing a whole series of all the things that we're looking at, and we don't know what we want.
No.
So we want something a little bit more nimble, so we're looking at all the different stuff we can see. So go back and watch those videos. Today, we're in a Class A. This is the Encore 29SS.
Okay.
So I'm assuming it's 29 feet long. So, huge driving. Look at this window. This is so cool, Natalie. Could you drive this, do you think?
No.
You don't think you could?
I'm scared.
Anyway, so there is this. We have one slide behind me, but you have the really nice screen. The interior is lovely. We have auto leveling on the left-hand side here. A whole bunch of USB connections. There's another one over here. There's a 12 volt. Anyway, I'm not too worried about all of this. This is a driving position. One thing I am worried about is one of our requirements is a place for me to work. I work full-time Monday to Friday, and so this would be the perfect place. I say the perfect place, it's not, because if I'm on a Zoom call you can see the rig behind. So yes, they do fake backgrounds and things, but even just noise of you walking about in the background. So it's not ideal, but it is somewhere better than just the dinette.
Yes.
So that's cool, and there is power here as well. I don't know why they've got a cigarette lighter power there. An actual proper outlet would be good, but it does have USB quick charging, so I guess that would be good enough to power on my
What year is this?
MacBook. I think this is a 2023.
Oh, feels older.
Does it?
Yeah, and the cream exterior makes it feel older.
It is. I mean, it is obviously used. I don't know how many miles it has on it. Okay, so
let's say I'm coming in.
Okay, as you come in, just down beside you here, you can.
Too much.
You can see all the power things. So, like, what is that? That's the awning. You have the lights. You have the battery kill switch and something else over there. You have the lights here. Light switch here. Oh, something else about the cab. Shall we show them this?
Yeah.
Okay, so it has a cab over bed, but it's not electronic, which a lot of people don't like because sometimes they break. So this, it flips down. It's all manual. It's not heavy. I know I'm making it look heavy. And then
Don't break anything.
so I don't know what the weight limit is on this. I'm sure it will tell us somewhere. Oh, you have a cargo net as well. So anyway, so yeah, that'd be fine if your sister comes to visit.
Yep,
Should be fine up there. All right, and then you fold that up. Like I said, I'm just weak. It's not heavy. And then we have a chair here. I don't know if this is I think this is just a. No, I think that's just static.
TV is opposite the chair.
TV is opposite the chair, kind
Yes.
of. We have a bunch of storage here. This is the dinette, and it looks like, yep, that goes down into a small bed if you have kids. That's not very wide. I'm going to say, what, 4 feet? 4.5 feet maybe, so definitely for kids. All right, we have the sink, nice sink, metal sink. You actually have really good access to all the cabling and the plumbing behind there, which is nice. Any experienced RV owner knows that when you can see the cabling and the plumbing and stuff, it's really useful. Loads of storage in here.
I like the colours of the cabinets and the
yeah, the nice and white.
accessories.
Yeah, nice counter as well. It's almost like an epoxy kind of effect. Okay, we have a microwave. I don't think that is. It's even got a popcorn button, Natalie, because you're an addict. We have the fan. We have a 3-burner stove and an oven.
That's an oven. That's surprising for a Class A.
It does, especially a newer one. I'm pretty sure this is a 2023. I will overlay if it's not. Then we have some. Oh, they're actually soft close.
Yay!
That's nice. I mean, these aren't. These are these old clips. I hate those things. They always break. Right, we have the AC here. Oh, let's go to here and then we'll do the bathroom last. So this is the bedroom. This is the back of the coach. So the generator is back here. Is the one thing I can hear it. It's not really loud, but you can see it and feel it when you're back here. I guess when the stabilizers are down, you wouldn't be able to feel it so much. But anyway, we have so much storage in here. So much storage. Don't like the quality of these doors, but I guess they're keeping it light. But like, this probably has 6 times more storage than our rig.
Yes.
that feels like it comes out, so I don't know what's under there, but I mean that's pretty good for bedding, things
And
like
you
that.
can walk pretty much all the way around the bed. You can get to stuff, that's quite good.
Yeah,
You've got outlets next to the bed again.
Yeah, you have little drawers, little cubby for your water or drinks or something like that.
Yeah, this is cute.
Cabinets. Loads of space.
Yeah.
Loads of cool lights. Don't know what that is. Oh, that's clever. So you have power in here, and then there's this little thing. So if you don't want to use the USB ports here, you can have proper power coming here. I wonder if it's for a CPAP.
Really?
Yes, it's for a CPAP. So you put your CPAP in here, you have the plug there, and then the pipe can come down and you can wear the thing.
Interesting.
Clever. I wonder if they could have put that in afterwards, I don't know. Anyway, okay, so now just the bathroom is left.
Yeah.
We do have some cabinets here. Oh, that's quite nice. There's a little access panel there, don't know what that's for. Maybe behind the shower? Which again is one of those things experienced RVers will appreciate that. Here's all your control for everything. Slide, your tank heater, radio, water. So the water heater is LP and electric, and then your water pump and all your levels. All right, pretty basic bathroom. Cabinet, medicine cabinet, only one there, and then we have a cabinet under the sink.
The
toilet is on a pedestal, so it is quite tall, but I don't mind.
Okay.
I don't know, I like it. I don't think Matt would like this, but I think it's a prime pooping position. And then the shower.
Oh, that's pleasant.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Again, 5'10", loads of space. It's a shower. It works fine. That looks like a toilet roll holder
It does.
in the shower.
I just thought that as well.
It's not, it's for you to put your stuff in, but it does look like a toilet roll holder.
Nice.
All right, let's go check out outside. All right, let's check out the outside right now. If you can move back so you can get the front in, this is what it looks like. So Natalie does not like the look of this. I think it's kind of cool I think it's cute. Okay. All right, so this is the main door where you come in and out. We covered all of that on the inside. I'm assuming that's an automatic step that goes in.
It is.
All right, we have space here. What is that? That is a Victron Blue Solar. So it must have solar of some kind in here. Maybe it's just to top up the battery. But then Class A storage. You just can't beat that. There's so much space in there. I mean, it's not huge, but you can get a lot in there. You have an outdoor TV. Honestly, completely not a priority for us. I know lots of people who love them. They love to sit outside and grill and watch football. It's not really our thing. So I don't know. I don't think, maybe we'd use it.
A tiny little outside kitchen.
Tiny little beer fridge. I mean, that's great. This is great for travel days as well. So you can have the fridge running. You don't have to go, well, I guess you're in the rig anyway, aren't you?
Yeah.
We used to like our outdoor fridge on the travel trailer. Even though we hated the outdoor kitchen, the fridge was handy. All right, so we have some space in here. We have a sink with water. It's obviously to get to the plumbing. What's that? Winterizing inlet. Interesting. All right, drain pump, more storage. Loads of storage here, Natalie.
We should have given it a 10.
This actually goes all the way back, so obviously you're not going to get kayaks in here. It goes all the way across, but that's great for like fishing bats.
Yeah.
Or whatever they call them, wands. Fishing wands.
Fishing bats, yeah.
That's for your fishing wands. They can go all the way through there. All right.
Look at the size of those mushrooms.
Oh.
Sorry, I'm being distracted by mycelium. Right, it's okay.
Wow, there's loads of mushrooms.
I know. I don't think they're edible, but sorry, carry on.
Okay, at the back you have a ladder to get up on the back. I don't know how common that is on Class A's. I think they all have them. But we have the rear bumper, which is also sewage hose storage. This is your gas, so it is a gas motor, which is weird that being here in the motor in the front. License plate. Okay, now here is the full length slide, which is kind of cool. Then under here you have the other side of the storage with your power, so that goes all the way through, pretty good. This is the generator. Oh, okay, that one's still locked, so that's just the generator. You can see the actual thing there. Water heater, furnace. We have the outdoor shower and the sewer tank. You also have your sewer connections here. So it has one grey tank, one black tank. Bit of wiring that you can get to there, so that's interesting. That's obviously your black tank right there, which is kind of cool. If you ever have a problem with your black tank, it's literally there. Then here's all your city cable connection and your tank fills. And then this is the propane. There's actually a lot of storage above there as well. I wonder why they didn't put a storage in there. You could get some kind of drawer or something. Don't know, there's loads of space back there that you could use. So yep, that's your propane. And then, again, just other storage. Nice little storage bay there, that's handy. And then, I don't even know, this probably isn't open, but I've never done this before.
What is it? What are you doing? He's like, please let me do it.
Holy shit. Hold on, hold on.
Oh my god, there's a tarantula in there!
He's a pet, he's a pet.
Oh my god, no, he's gonna move! Oh my god, no!
That is...
You take it, I'm not.
That is a literal tarantula.
Oh.
I've never seen a tarantula in Florida before. Would you call that a tarantula? That is a huntsman. Look at the size of that thing. That is... I've never seen... We've been in Florida for like 7 years.
It's pretty big, boy. That's the biggest one I've seen out here.
How are you feeling, Natalie?
No, go away! Go! I'm not going anywhere near that rig. Burn it to the ground.
I hate spiders. I have to get Natalie to kill the spiders for me.
She's
All right.
running to the golf cart.
I don't do big spiders. I do small ones.
Anyway, what was I doing? Okay, so this is how you get to the engine bay. I've never done that before, so that's kind of cool. Thank you. And then you have your engine battery there, and that's kind of cool to get to the fluids. It's pretty easy access. Not whilst he's there though.
No, leave her.
I'm sorry, he just lost you a sale. I quite like this, but Natalie's like, no, I'm out.
Huh?
We were going to give you cash and just drive it away.
Drive away?
Yeah.
I'll tell you, we're going to do it, not far off the price.
Yeah, we'll buy the new one.
That's my spreadsheet, Lawrence. Alright, at 97,000, what's your...
97,000 used, I think it's a year old. It's not very affordable.
No.
I think it's a lot of rig for the money though.
For a Class A, it's affordable.
Yeah, it is. And this is a gas Class A as well. It's one of the smallest gas Class A's you can buy. Oh god, I don't know. This one's tough. It's not very affordable, so I'm probably going to say a 4.
Okay.
Maybe a 5.
Quality.
Quality is actually very good.
Yeah, I agree.
I don't think it's bad at all. It's not the best we've seen, but it is pretty good for, especially for that price range. So I'm going to say maybe a 7.
Okay. Attractiveness. Outside's crap.
It's okay.
It's horrible.
5.
Yeah, the inside is amazing, but the
Inside's
outside,
lovely,
I'm like,
yeah.
no.
Yeah.
Ease of transport.
Ease of transport, really easy.
Yeah.
One slide. It is the entire side of this, but it's got auto leveling. Ease of transport, driving. It's small. You just drive it. I think it's dead easy. I'm gonna say a 7.
Okay. Wow, that's not a nice. Okay.
Well, no, but compared to like a van, a Class B van.
Oh, gotcha.
A
Yeah.
Class B van is like a 10, right?
Yeah. Okay.
So.
All right. Space for dogs. Not great, actually.
I don't know. Maybe a 6.
Yeah. Alright, private office space.
It's bad. The only place is that front seat, which is better than most, but I'm going to say maybe a 4. Like, I could work from there, but it doesn't give us a lot of flexibility with you being in the rig.
Outside storage.
Yeah, it's pretty good. I think it's great. Yeah, so let's go. I'm going to say, I mean, I've seen a lot more, but yeah, especially the bigger Class A's, I guess I'm comparing it to. Yeah, I'm going to say an 8. For the size of the rig, I think it's pretty good.
Inside space for socialising.
I mean,
if they turn round,
I think they probably do, and it's not too bad with this, with the dinette here and the seats here. You could make it work better than our rig, so yeah, 6 maybe. They're not like opposite seats. I mean, it's not
off-grid capabilities. I don't know. Oh, I've got the
yeah,
generator on board.
we got the generator.
Yeah.
I don't think it has any solar or anything, but the generator is a huge thing, and it's not very big rig, so you probably can get more nimble places than most.
That
like
is true.
State parks, you might be able to fit in.
Maybe.
So yeah, I would say yeah. Okay,
8?
yeah.
All right, TV placement. So that's quite high for a change. If you're there.
Yeah, it's not bad from there if we were living on this. It's still not great though, is it?
Well,
I don't know.
6.
5.
Right. And set up and tear down.
Yeah, it's pretty easy. Auto leveling. It's a big coach, 1 slide. Yeah, I'm going to say an 8.
Already put it in.
Okay.
Why am I stood next to
Natalie,
it?
forget about the spider.
I can't.
Forget about the biggest spider anyone's ever seen in the world ever.
We would never have a Class A now, just because I'll be thinking of spiders.
All right, well, I really like it. I think it's really good. It doesn't tick all the boxes, but I'm quite impressed at the price point as well. Yes, this is used for 97. There is a brand new one for 109. Just a few doors down, which I don't think we're going to have a look at, but because it's
Not
over our
today.
price range.
Maybe
Not
another
today,
day.
maybe another day. All right, anyway, thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe if you haven't already, and just check that you are, because a lot of people have said they've been unsubscribed for some reason. And if you'd like to hit the thanks button, Natalie loves it when you do that. You can hit the join button to become a Braziere and support a couple of tits, me and Natalie and Stan.
Who's overeating?
And who's the bravest man ever with that spider, by the way. He went right near it. Anyway, thank you to everyone who's already a Braziere. We really appreciate you. We will see you next week for another rig tour.